E&D Finance, helping you making better financial decisions. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. In 2010, Tesla sold about 1,500 vehicles. 5 years later, in 2015, they sold about 50,500 vehicles. And 5 years later, in 2020, they sold almost 500,000 vehicles. Do you see the potential of Tesla stock? That's not all. In 2030, they plan to sell about 20 million vehicles. So, which means they will outsell any car makers. That's why the Tesla stock price target is increased to 1,036 US dollars from 486 US dollars. And the Oppenheimer analyst Colin Rush did it. So according to him, quote, "We believe TSLA stock has the potential to be a transformational technology company and deliver outsized returns," end quote. So Tesla will, according to rough estimates, for this year 2021, they will increase the revenue up to 50%. So the revenue will increase way more than in 2020, which actually makes sense because this year the vaccines are rolling out, so it's more likely that this year will be a better year for Tesla. So based on this fact, according to me, the Tesla stock price target for this year, end of this year 2021, is 4,000 US dollars. Yeah, that's way more accurate. That's why, well, I've made that video in October 2020, so since then I haven't updated the Tesla stock price target of 4,000 US dollars because that one is accurate enough, so I don't need to update it. So let's have a quick look at the institutional shareholders, the professional shareholders of Tesla stock. As you can see on this graph, most of the institutional shareholders, they bought more Tesla stocks. So yeah, that's why Tesla stock is one of the best stocks 2021. Only one institutional shareholder sold Tesla stocks, but literally all the others, they bought more Tesla stocks. So the biggest shareholder of Tesla is the Capital Research Management, and they own around 50 million shares, which equals to about almost 40 billion US dollars. I just have to look it up real quick. Oh yeah, this Capital Research Group. Okay, it's a Californian company, and they have around 2 trillion US dollars on assets under management. So yeah, this firm is also one of the biggest investment firm. The next one, the second biggest shareholder, is the Vanguard Group, and they own around 40 million shares, which equals about 30 billion US dollars. And the Vanguard Group is the second biggest investment firm in the world, with about 6 trillion US dollars on assets under management. Baillie Gifford is also one of the biggest investment firms. It's a Scottish company, and they own about 35 million shares, which equals around 25 billion US dollars. And the biggest investment firm, which is BlackRock, and they have around 8 trillion US dollars on assets under management. So just to give you an idea what you can do with 8 trillion US dollars. So you literally can buy like the Apple, which is the most valuable company in the world, and then you can also buy Microsoft on top, so 2 companies, and Microsoft is the second most valuable company in the world, and you can also buy Amazon, which is like the third most valuable company in the world, and Facebook and Google and Tesla, something like that. So yeah, all the 6 biggest companies you can buy with 8 trillion US dollars, something like that, roughly estimate. So yeah, so the biggest 5 investment firm, they own, let's see, roughly almost, well, it's 18%, so let's say almost 20% of Tesla company. So yeah, institutional professional investors are also interested in the Tesla company, which is a good sign that this company is a great company. So let's have a quick look at the Tesla stock or Tesla financials, their financial situation. It's not that updated yet, But yeah, you still can see what they did in the past. So this one you can see clearly this upward trend of the revenue, because they could increase the revenue like literally from 2015 they could increase like 30% their revenue. 2016 they could increase like 73%, then 70%, 82%, and 15%. So roughly like literally every year they could increase like on average like 50% on revenue. So that's really remarkable. Well, they did some loss here, but they are able to control the losses. Well, they increase the revenue, but the loss that doesn't, well, barely increases. It even the losses even decreases. That's because Tesla is able to increase their profit margin. And right now, the most current figure that I remember, on every vehicle Tesla is sold, they made about 25% profit. One of the highest. I think it is even the highest percentage in the car maker auto industry. So this year, for this annual report 2020, all the figures should impress the investors. But yeah, we will see. It will come. The annual report will come out hopefully on February, something like that. I think it's right after the fourth quarter earnings report. But yeah, we will see. So the Tesla stock price is traded at around 845 US dollars on the 21st January 2020. Their market cap is at around 800 billion US dollars, so it is still the most valuable car maker in the world. The PE ratio is 1700, so that's the highest PE ratio that I've seen so far amongst the mega cap stocks. But yeah, this just means that Tesla is selling, well, not only Tesla vehicles, but the Tesla stock is selling like hotcakes. So that drives the PE ratio up. So let's have a quick look at the Tesla stock chart real quick. As you can see here on the red support line, the Tesla stock is still on the upward trend. Literally since March. No. Since then it's still on the upward trend. And yeah, as you can see here, there was a downturn since this world crisis that was around mid-February, and the Tesla stock could recover since then, since the beginning of June, and since then they could even surpass their previous record high. And according to RSI indicator, it is not overbought anymore, which means the Tesla stock should continue this kind of trend for the next days, weeks to come. But yeah, we know that this year Tesla stock will do even better compared to the previous year. That's why Tesla has a very good chance to reach the Tesla stock price has a very good chance to reach 4,000 US dollars at the end of this year. According to YouTube, you should watch the video on the left side on the screen next.